Hey everyone, if you want your listening experience to sound just right, changing the voice settings in ElevenReader is a great place to start. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch AI voices, adjust playback options, and personalize the narration step by step. First, launch the ElevenReader app or open the website in your browser. Sign in to your account or create a free account if you're using the platform for the first time. Next, open any supported document, article, or book from your library. The voice settings are available while you're viewing content in the reading interface. Press the play button to begin listening. This will activate the audio controls, including the voice settings and playback options. Now look for the voice selection or audio settings menu. Browse through the available AI voices and choose the narrator you prefer. Depending on your account and the current version of ElevenReader, some voices may require a premium subscription. After selecting a voice, customize the playback speed to match your preference. Slower speeds can make detailed material easier to follow, while faster speeds are useful when reviewing familiar content. Continue listening for a few moments to hear how the new settings sound. If needed, switch to another voice or adjust the speed again until you're happy with the overall listening experience. And that's how you can change the voice settings in ElevenReader. With just a few adjustments, you can create a listening experience that fits your personal preferences. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.